Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Emma Harris, a geriatric specialist with over 30 years of experience in helping seniors maintain their health and well-being. Throughout my career, I've seen how small daily habits can have a significant impact on the quality of life as we age. Many people focus on the basics, things like showering and brushing their teeth, but there are other often overlooked areas of personal hygiene that can contribute to better health and even longevity. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 commonly neglected body parts that, if cleaned properly every day, can make a major difference to your overall health. These simple habits take just a few extra minutes each day, but can have lasting effects on your vitality and quality of life. It's all about maintaining those small, consistent practices that make a big impact over time. So, whether you're new to these habits or simply looking for ways to improve your daily routine, I'm here to offer helpful tips that could add years to your life. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future updates. The tongue. Let's start with a surprising discovery, your tongue. It's something that's right under your nose, quite literally, yet most people don't think twice about it when it comes to daily hygiene. Many assume that brushing their teeth is enough, but what about cleaning your tongue? The tongue is home to over 700 different types of bacteria, and while some of these bacteria are beneficial for digestion, others can lead to bad breath, cavities, and even systemic infections if left unchecked. When you don't clean your tongue, food particles, bacteria, and debris can build up, forming a thin coating on the surface. This buildup not only causes bad breath, but it can also spread bacteria through your bloodstream, which can impact your heart and overall health. Imagine this like having a clogged air filter in your home. If it's dirty, it affects everything else in the system. Fortunately, cleaning your tongue is a simple and quick process. Each morning before breakfast, all you need is a tongue scraper, which you can easily find at most drugstores or even your toothbrush. Stand in front of a mirror, stick out your tongue, and gently scrape from the back to the front, repeating this 3 or 4 times. This process takes less than 3 minutes, and you should also repeat it before bed, but more gently. By keeping your tongue clean, you're not only improving your breath, but also helping your taste buds function properly. Studies have shown that older adults who start cleaning their tongues regularly experience improved taste perception, which makes meals more enjoyable and can even enhance energy levels throughout the day. In fact, I have a friend, Linda, who's 67 years old. She started cleaning her tongue regularly just 3 months ago, and now she not only enjoys food more, but her dentist also noticed a improvement in her oral health. She also says she feels more energized throughout the day, so if you're new to tongue cleaning, take it slow. Start by gently scraping from the middle of the tongue and gradually working your way further back. And if you notice anything unusual, like a sore tongue or changes in color, it's always best to check in with your doctor. Small habits like this can make a huge difference to your long-term health, and keeping your tongue clean is a simple but powerful step toward better overall well-being. Feet now. Let's move on to another often overlooked part of our body, our feet. We tend to take them for granted, thinking that a quick rinse in the shower is enough. But did you know that neglecting proper foot care can increase the risk of infections, mobility issues, and even serious health conditions like neuropathy? Our feet work tirelessly every day, supporting our body weight and helping us move. In fact, each foot contains 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. That's a lot of moving parts that need attention. As we age, foot care becomes even more crucial. Dr. Harris often compares our feet to the foundation of a house. If the foundation isn't well maintained, everything above it starts to suffer. One of the biggest issues that can arise from neglecting foot care is poor circulation. As we get older, poor circulation often shows its first signs in the feet, swelling, cold toes, or changes in skin color can indicate underlying health problems. For people with diabetes, proper foot care isn't just about comfort. It's essential to prevent complications like infections, which can lead to much more serious conditions. So how do you properly care for your feet? Start by washing them thoroughly each day using warm, not hot water and a soft washcloth. Pay close attention to the spaces between your toes, as this is a common area where dirt and bacteria can accumulate. Gently wash each toe and then focus on the soles of your feet, where most of the dirt and dead skin builds up. But washing is just the first step. The most important part comes after drying your feet. Think of it like drying dishes. If moisture is left behind in dark areas, unwanted things can start to grow. Use a soft, clean towel to dry your feet completely, especially between your toes. Once your feet are dry, apply a small amount of moisturizer to the tops and soles of your feet, but avoid applying lotion between your toes, as excess moisture can lead to fungal growth. Taking care of your feet each day may only take about 5 minutes, but those 5 minutes can prevent months of discomfort, improve your balance, and keep your feet looking and feeling healthier. For example, Thomas, a 73-year-old neighbor of mine, noticed discoloration between his toes, which his doctor diagnosed as a fungal infection. Once he started washing his feet thoroughly every day, the infection cleared up and his balance improved, making it easier for him to walk without discomfort. Remember, your feet are the foundation of your mobility and health. Taking just a few minutes to care for them each day can help you stay active and prevent serious complications in the future. If you notice anything unusual, such as persistent soreness, cuts that won't heal, or discoloration, it's important to get it checked by your doctor as soon as possible. Your feet are worth the effort. Armpits. Next, let's talk about an area that plays a crucial role in your body's detox system, the armpits. Many people assume that simply swiping on deodorant is enough, but armpit hygiene goes much further than that. This often overlooked area needs just as much care as the rest of your body, if not more. The armpits contain major lymph nodes that act like a drainage system for your upper body. These lymph nodes filter out toxins and fight infections. However, if sweat, bacteria, and product buildup are not properly cleaned, it can slow this natural detox process down. Over time, this buildup can lead to irritation, infection, and even sluggish circulation, which can worsen as we age, especially since our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive. So how should you care for your armpits? The key is to be thorough but gentle. When you step into the shower, use a soft washcloth or sponge and gently clean your underarms in circular motions. Make sure to lift your arm and clean in all directions, up and down, side to side, and in circles, just like polishing a delicate piece of glass. This ensures you clean every part of the skin without causing irritation. Once you've thoroughly cleaned your armpits, rinse them well to remove any leftover soap, as soap residue can cause dryness and itching. Afterward, gently pat your underarms dry with a towel. It's important to avoid rubbing the skin, as it can cause further irritation. Allow your skin a few minutes to breathe before applying deodorant. This simple step will help your deodorant work more effectively and keep your skin feeling fresh. Proper armpit care is not just about controlling odor. It's about supporting your lymphatic system and improving circulation. One of my patients, Olivia, a 65-year-old retired teacher, used to struggle with frequent underarm rashes. After switching to a gentle Cicinieroi unscented soap and being more mindful about washing her underarms properly, she noticed a dramatic improvement. The rashes disappeared and her skin felt much smoother. In fact, with just a little extra attention, your skin may feel smoother, irritation can be reduced, and you may even notice that you have less odor before applying deodorant. Over time, paying more attention to your underarms may support your immune system, improve circulation, and boost overall well-being. Charlotte, a 70-year-old grandmother, shared that after consistently following a proper armpit care routine, she no longer experienced the small, tender lumps that used to appear under her arms. Her doctor explained that her lymphatic system was functioning better, all thanks to these small daily habits. So don't underestimate the importance of armpit hygiene. With just a few minutes of care, you can significantly improve skin health, support your body's detox process, and feel more refreshed every day. Nose. Let's move on to another often neglected body part, your nose. We breathe through our noses every day without even thinking about it, but have you ever stopped to consider how well you're actually breathing? Most people assume their nasal passages take care of themselves. But just like an air filter in your home, your nose needs regular cleaning to function at its best, especially as you get older. Your nose plays a crucial role in filtering out dust, allergens, and bacteria from the air we breathe. In fact, it processes about 10,000 quarts of air daily, trapping all sorts of unwanted particles. If you don't clear out this buildup regularly, you might find yourself dealing with constant congestion, sinus pressure, sneezing, and even trouble sleeping. This is particularly important as we age, since nasal passages can become dry and irritated, leading to more discomfort. So, how do you take care of your nose? One of the easiest and most effective methods is rinsing your nasal passages with saline solution. This acts like a shower for your nose, washing away dust and mucus. Many people also use a neti pot to flush out their sinuses, which can clear up lingering congestion and provide immediate relief. For those who don't want to use a neti pot, simply splashing warm water around your nostrils can also help. Another simple technique is to blow your nose properly. Many people tend to blow both nostrils at once, which can force mucus deeper into the sinuses. It's better to gently blow one nostril at a time using a soft tissue, which prevents pushing mucus further back and causing irritation. In addition, steam can also be helpful for nasal care. A warm shower can loosen mucus and make it easier to breathe, but if you're dealing with stubborn congestion, holding your face over a bowl of warm water with a towel over your head works just as well. Adding a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to the water can make it even more soothing and effective. For those living in dry climates or during the winter months, nasal passages can become dry and uncomfortable. In this case, a small amount of natural oil, such as coconut oil or vitamin E oil, can help keep your nasal passages moisturized and comfortable. Simply dab a tiny bit onto your finger or a cotton swab and gently apply it inside your nostrils. Taking just a few minutes to care for your nose can make a big difference. I had a patient, James, a 69-year-old retired construction worker who struggled with allergies for years. He never paid much attention to nasal hygiene until his congestion became so bad it was interfering with his sleep. After he started rinsing his nose with saline solution daily, he found he could breathe freely again and sleep better at night. When you maintain proper nasal hygiene, you'll breathe more easily, sleep better, and experience fewer headaches and allergy symptoms. Your nose is a good indicator of your overall health. Persistent congestion, nosebleeds, thick nasal discharge, or sinus pain that lasts for more than 10 days could indicate a more serious issue. So it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor if something feels off. By simply adding this step to your daily routine, you'll not only feel better, but also improve your overall quality of life. Taking care of your nose is a small habit that pays off in major ways. Belly button. Finally, let's talk about a body part that many people overlook when it comes to daily hygiene, your belly button. It's a small area, often ignored during showers, but did you know that it can actually have a much bigger impact on your health than you might imagine? The belly button is one of the dirtiest parts of the body, as it can trap sweat, dead skin cells, lint, soap residue, and even bacteria. If left uncleaned, all of this buildup can lead to irritation, unpleasant odors, and even infections. This is especially important as we age because our skin changes and our immune systems become less effective at fighting off minor bacterial growth. It's a simple area, but one that can cause big problems if neglected. One of my patients, Helen, a 75-year-old retired nurse, learned this the hard way when a routine doctor's visit revealed a mild infection in her belly button. "I had no idea it needed regular cleaning," she admitted. "It's such a small spot, but it can cause big problems if ignored." Fortunately, keeping your belly button clean is quick, easy, and doesn't require anything fancy. All you need is warm water and a soft washcloth. Simply wet the washcloth. Gently clean inside your belly button, using your index finger underneath the cloth to reach into any creases. Think of it like washing a small teacup, not scrubbing hard, but being gentle and thorough. If your belly button is deeper, or if you have a navel piercing, you may need to adjust your cleaning technique slightly. Leaning slightly forward while cleaning helps prevent water from pooling inside your belly button, which can encourage bacteria and fungi to grow. After cleaning, make sure to pat your belly button dry with a clean towel to remove any remaining moisture. While cleaning your belly button, you may notice that any musty smells or discomfort start to fade away. For example, Maria, a 71-year-old friend of mine, now makes belly button cleaning part of her morning routine, spending about 30 seconds on it while washing her stomach. She noticed that her belly button odor completely disappeared after she started cleaning it regularly. In addition to cleanliness, regular belly button care can also improve the skin around your stomach area, making it feel healthier. Many seniors experience changes in body odor due to hormonal shifts, medications, or slower skin cell turnover, but small hygiene adjustments like cleaning the belly button can make a noticeable difference. For those with belly button piercings, it's important to keep the area around the jewelry clean as well, even after the piercing has healed. Bacteria, dead skin cells, and even sweat can collect around the piercing, causing irritation and odor if not properly cleaned. In summary, taking a few moments each day to properly clean your belly button can prevent odor, irritation, and even infections. It's a small, often neglected part of your body, but with just a little extra attention, you can keep it clean and free of bacteria, improving both your hygiene and overall comfort. If you ever notice persistent redness, discharge, or pain in your belly button area, it's important to consult with your doctor, as these could be signs of infection. Incorporating belly button hygiene into your routine is easy and can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. So, take the time to clean this small yet important area, and your body will thank you for it. Conclusion. In conclusion, maintaining daily hygiene is essential not only for looking and feeling your best, but also for supporting your overall health and longevity. The 5 body parts we've discussed today, your tongue, feet, armpits, nose, and belly button, are often neglected in daily routines, yet they play crucial roles in keeping your body functioning at its best. By adding just a few extra minutes to your daily routine to properly care for these areas, you can prevent infections, improve circulation, enhance breathing, and even boost your immune system. These simple habits can lead to noticeable improvements in your health, energy levels, and even your quality of life. Remember, your tongue affects digestion and breath. Your feet support your mobility. Your armpits assist in detoxification. Your nose influences your breathing and allergies. And your belly button can trap bacteria if ignored. Taking care of these often overlooked areas is an easy but powerful step in improving your health, especially as we age. I encourage you to start by picking one habit from this video that resonates with you, whether it's cleaning your tongue, drying your feet properly, or giving your belly button the attention it deserves. Small changes lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share it with someone who could benefit from these simple health tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and health advice. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day filled with health, peace, and happiness.